It probably won't be long before your teen starts asking for a vehicle. And many parents dive right in, thinking that their teen needs a vehicle just as they start their driving career. But just because your teen is learning to drive doesn't mean he or she should have a vehicle reserved exclusively for his or her use. At least not yet. You see, allowing a new teen driver to have his or her own vehicle at this stage can be risky. Research indicates that new teen drivers who have a vehicle reserved exclusively for their use are twice as likely to be involved in a collision. They also tend to speed more and talk on a cell phone more while driving compared to their peers who share a vehicle. So don't assume that your teen needs a vehicle now. Let him or her first gain experience driving a shared vehicle, and over time, demonstrate the maturity and responsibility necessary to consider having his or her own vehicle. But when that time does arrive, commit to choosing a vehicle that provides safe, affordable, and reliable transportation. In terms of safety, look for features such as anti-lock brakes, front and side impact airbags, and electronic stability control. In addition, a mid-size sedan is a better choice than a van or SUV because such top-heavy vehicles are more susceptible to rolling over in a crash. In terms of affordability, be sure to consider not only the purchase price, but ongoing costs such as insurance, fuel, maintenance, and repairs. Also, consider requiring your teen to share in the costs involved. Teens who contribute to the purchase and support of a vehicle are likely to value the vehicle more and show greater appreciation and responsibility. Finally, in terms of reliability, to help give you and your teen peace of mind, be sure to conduct a pre-purchase inspection, check out the vehicle's history, and look for a warranty. Oh, and be sure your teen is covered with a AAA membership. Lastly, be sure that your teen learns how to conduct basic vehicle safety activities, such as using a tire gauge to check tire pressure, changing a tire, using jumper cables. Check with your local AAA club, as it may host clinics with experts who can help your family with these types of safety checks. For more information on how to choose a vehicle for your teen, check out the brochure on this site titled "So Your Teen Wants a Car." Please click on the link below, Next Steps.